If the lamp and trim are already installed, they need to be removed. Next, slide the lamp holder bracket check the height of the bracket to the instructions on the instruction sheet and make sure the height is at least the minimum dimensions shown. If not, the lamp holder bracket needs to be removed and the label placed on the recessed fixture as I'm showing here. The lamp holder adapter then is installed into the lamp holder. And then the electrical connection is made to the recessed trim. Next, the torsion springs need to be installed into the brackets in the recessed fixture. That's one. And the second one needs to be installed the same way. Be sure to tuck the adapter out of the way and install the second torsion spring. Straighten the recessed trim, push it upward, and it will snap into place.